Really getting the ball nicely to the back of the court, Barker. Weight of stroke's been superb. He's got the trademark chewing gum in his mouth. He's been doing that since Chicago.
10-3, game ball.
That's too high for Max Lee, and that's a nice area for Barker at the front. Great touch, and he
11-4.
takes that
Game
first
to
game
Barker.
11-4.
Barker leads 1 game to love.
Really hard to know what's going on with Max Lee. He doesn't show hardly any emotion, whether it's elation or anger. It's always the same.
And out.
Bit of a touche,
4-2.
taste of his own medicine here, Max Lee. Barker's shutting him out.
Out.
It's out of court, so Peter Barker will go off.
11-7. Game to Barker.
Two
Barker
games
leads 2 games
in
to love.
front.
Yeah, that's tight work initially from Barker on that first drop shot. A little bit high, but exceedingly tight, and then set up the easy one on the forehand. Chance here. Good backhand drop. Against normal people, that would have been a winner, but that certainly was the forehand volley. A good combination there, the 2 shots, the backhand drop, and then leaping onto this forehand volley. Great finish. Really good anticipation. There's a fist pump.
Right box, please.
Read that all the way. Now, if Pete Barker loses this point, he will get slightly edgy. He won't show it, but he'll be feeling it a little bit. Oh, that's a clever shot. Strange rally. Probably with the most variation that we've seen from these two, though. That's a great shot, and he's taken the rally, and he's pushed himself to within 2 points. Probably the best squash he's played in the match, Max Lee.
Well, he's going to take a leaf out of his coach's book, the amount of match points that David Palmer saved to win World Championships. 2 occasions, didn't it, against Gregory Gaultier? I think it was 5 or 6 against Gaultier at the Pyramids.
Yeah, that one was incredible.
And then against John White in Belgium.
Yeah, I think there was slightly less in that one, but he still saved at least.
Oh, there's the tin. So Barker has a grimace.
Match to Barker, 3 games to love.
Certainly tested him physically there, Max Lee, but Peter Barker very happy to get off in 3 games.
Barker wins. 11-4, 11-7, 11-8.
So in the 3rd quarter-final, Peter Barker takes Max Lee 11-4, 11-7, 11-8, 3 games to love.
And out.
It's a slam dunk
Busy.
bonken
And out.
from Rosner.
9-6.
Both feet off the ground and should just run through the ball like you used to do. Push off the sidewall with your hand.
11-7, game to Rosner. Rosner leads 1 game to love.
Wow, that's woken us up. Jos Hartz seems to be getting higher pitched.
Fall off. Left base.
So 7 game balls for Rosner. Actually got a really funny story to tell you, Parky, about bagels. I think I might save that for the beginning of the 3rd game.
11-3.
So Rosner again, it was the same shot that ended the 1st game.
Rosner still flying here. All credit to him. He's been taking the ball really early, playing just the right kind of game. Willstrop, that's absolutely inch perfect from behind the service box. Usually loves to do it on the backhand side, but this could not be any better.
7 match balls. It's too good from Simon Rosner. Willstrop
11-3 match to Rosner.
not
Rosner
anywhere
wins
near
3 games to love.
where he would want to be,
11-7,
but at least he's on
11-3,
court
and
competing,
11-3.
which he will not take for granted, that's for sure, with what he's been through, Mr. Willstrop. And I'm sure Simon Rosner will be very, very noble in his interview here and respectful. 36 minutes between Simon Rosner and Willstrop. Rosner takes it 11-7, 11-3, 11-3, 3 games to love.